Whether you just like the taste of coffee, drink it out of habit, or truly rely on it for energy, it is no secret the drink has magical powers. But have you ever thought about what it is actually doing after you gulp down your morning mug? Caffeine. Yes, coffee contains caffeine. But how far do you know about caffeine?
Of coffee contains higher caffeine compared to tea. When caffeine enters your body, it is broken down into three daughter molecules with similar chemical structure but different action in body. Though they are all different, all four molecules are able to cross into the brain when they are bombard receptors on our neurons.
Caffeine, the most widely consumed psychoactive substance in the world, is the best known ingredient of coffee. Caffeine is the first thing that comes to mind when you think about coffee. Now that you have known more about caffeine, let's get to know of how caffeine works in our body.
Caffeine. Caffeine is specially attached to a receptor made for the compound adenosine, which normally causes us to relax. Caffeine will block this relaxation signal, keeping us awake. While caffeine is lighting up the brain, its three daughter molecules have their own stop. While caffeine into the body, it can be broken down by the liver into three molecules: paraxanthine, theobromine, and theophylline. These compounds have slightly different effects than caffeine.
Paraxanthine. Paraxanthine, the most abundant caffeine metabolite in our bodies, enhance our athletic performance by helping fat break down, releasing fat into our bloodstream and fueling our muscle. It can also reduce inflammation and raise epinephrine level in the blood, which energize us.
Theobromine. Theobromine increases the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the brain by opening up the blood vessels. This increases filtering in the kidneys, meaning it also acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production. It can also stimulate the heart. This compound is actually found in chocolate, guarana, tea, and herbal made products as well, which could account for some of their energizing effect. Studies indicate that it can actually help relieve the symptoms of asthma and coughing.
Theophylline. Theophylline is also found in chocolate and tea and has similar effect as theobromine. It can also help us concentrate and can have anti-inflammatory effect like paraxanthine. It is even used as a therapy to treat respiratory disease like COPD and asthma.
Interestingly, according to a 2008 clinical study, theophylline could even improve a person's sense of smell.
In short, caffeine acts as a central nervous system stimulant, which make you feel more awake and less tired. Although drinking coffee brings benefit, you should watch your caffeine intakes as consuming too much caffeine could affect your health. So get up, get coffee, and be happy.